Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Vellabox unboxing. I have been sick. So you can probably tell from my voice, it has been rough for the last couple weeks. I've been so sick, and I finally have a little bit of a voice so I can open up some of these boxes that have arrived to my house. So we have our Vellabox. I actually have my Vellabox from last month right here that I've been burning a ton. Even though I can't smell a lot, it still smells nicer in my house because of this candle. I have been loving Vellabox. If you have not seen my previous videos, I will leave my most recent one up in the cards. I do have a discount code that will get you some money off of your first box, and it is such a great box. Vellabox is kind enough to send this to me, and I did get to pick out the candle scent, but if you subscribe, you will be matched to a candle based on your scent profile, and it is a pretty comprehensive scent profile, so you're going to love what you get. Every month they feature a different candle maker from across the country, so you get to try out different brands, and all of them are clean candles from small businesses that make beautiful candles. The jars are always neutral, so they go with all decor styles, and the candles are amazing. There are different tier options, so I will leave the details of that up on the screen. I do have the largest box, and every month you do get a free gift as well. That was a lot of information. Let's go ahead and just open this up. So this is what the Vellabox looks like on the inside. As you open it up, it will introduce you to the theme. So this month it is Wild Spirit, Soft Heart, Sweet Soul. Ooh, okay, so it looks like our free gift is a tote bag. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So this is what our tote bag looks like. It has a bunch of different matchboxes on it. I think this is so cute. I actually really like the size of this too. This is gonna be a really good size for like packing a little snack on the go, or to just leave in my car for when I go to like a farmer's market or a craft fair or something, and I know I'm not gonna be buying a ton of big items. This is just so cute, and I absolutely love this matchbox design. This is adorable. What a great free gift. I feel like every month they like nail it with stuff that's very useful but also very aesthetically pleasing, so I love that. Then we have our candle, and then we also do have a little card. So this tote bag is a $12 value, is the Wild and Free theme. They do also have a Spotify little code on here so you can listen to their playlist, which I love. And then it talks about the candle company of the month. So let's open it up. So we have our beautiful little bag. I love these little bags. They're great for gifting. They're really great for travel. I like putting like jewelry and like small products in here when I travel. They're really quite fantastic. Ooh, I like this packaging. So this is the candle that I got. I got the linen and eucalyptus scent. I'm so excited. Whoa. Okay, so I can't smell perfectly, but I can smell how delicious this is. It's definitely the linen scent with the eucalyptus for sure. But it almost has like if you've ever walked into like a really nice men's suit store, I know that's really niche, but it just smells like a really nice men's cologne or like a shave balm, but mixed with like clean laundry at the same time. And then the freshness of the eucalyptus. I'm so excited for this one. This is going to be so nice once that one is done, which will be probably within a matter of hours, to be honest. Once I relight it, I will be burning this one. So this company is Aria Bella, and was founded in 2015. Ariana made it her commitment to create refreshingly simple soy candles so you can breathe a breath of fresh air. The name itself means beautiful air in Italian. It's a tribute to the crisp mountain air of Ariana's ancestral homeland of Italy. Love it. Okay, beautiful. And so this particular scent, the scent notes are ozone, linen, eucalyptus, sea salt, freesia, moss, and powder. Breath of fresh air for your home, linen and eucalyptus was handcrafted for those who appreciate the feeling of a clean home and the scent of freshly laundered linens. this candle will give you that essence without all the effort, which is amazing because I do love having a clean home and I do love having clean laundry, but I do not like to clean or do laundry. So this will definitely make me feel inspired to have my house look as good as it smells. So I'm excited about this. I know a few of you have tried Vellabox already from my link, so definitely if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. And for those of you that have already subscribed to Vellabox, let everybody know in the comments down below what your experience has been. I have had such a great experience with Vellabox. Working with them is a joy. They are so nice, so sweet, and such great business owners. I absolutely love how they run their company. The candle makers that they select and the free gifts that they pick are always super, super high quality, and I just absolutely love it. So if you're interested in trying them out, leave information down below and up here on the screen for you so you can save yourself some great money and get yourself some wonderful candles. Thank you so much to Vellabox for sending me this, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!